Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find deleted friends on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have been wanting to do that, the first thing you gotta do is open up your Snapchat app and then go to this little chat icon right over here. So when you have removed a particular friend or unadded them, so first thing first, if you scroll down a little bit down below, you should be able to somehow find that option as well as you can see the people who are available on friends as on Snapchat, who you from your contact. You will also find them in case you have removed them, and you will also find the section of added me, who has re-added you. This can also be the people whom you have removed. So for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove a person, right? I'm going to go ahead, tap on manage friendship, and I'm gonna go ahead remove them. Then the next thing I have to do is simply go to the search bar right over here and simply search their handle. I'm going to add in their username information, and when I find that person, I should automatically find this option of add right over here. I can just tap on this add option and that person will simply be added, which I have removed from my list. So you have to make sure that you remember their handle, or you can simply go ahead and make sure you have their contact saved and you have given the Snapchat your contact access. So you can go to the sync contacts to find friends, and you can find your friend right over there as well likewise. Otherwise, there is no section as deleted friends, unfortunately. So this is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.